Books Neural Therapy addresses learning and behavior issues such as dyslexia, neurosensory processing disorders, attention deficit disorder, and learning disabilities. But it does so in a very gentle and non-invasive, comprehensive way. Books Neural Therapy uses no drugs. Instead, we do a one-on-one, hands-on therapy, applying the latest concepts in neuroscience so that we can work on the underlying problems that eventually show up as dyslexia, neuroprocessing disorders, and ADHD. Who might benefit? I'm glad you asked. You might be wondering if your child is getting the help he or she deserves. Or perhaps your child was diagnosed years ago and you've looked for care, but the problem persists. If you have an out-of-the-box child, you may need out-of-the-box solutions. There is help. Books Neural Therapy looks for the underlying causes so that the diagnosis that your child currently has can become a temporary condition. After we've done our work, you can take that label out of your child's identity and wash it away forever. How does it work? There are two options. Option one, you can come to the office twice a week for 2 to 3 months, and then we follow that up with once-a-month care for the rest of the year. Option two, also called the Fast Track System or Neuro Boot Camp, is done in 5 days, which means you come multiple times for each of those 5 days, and then we're pretty much wrapped up, and then you come once a quarter for the rest of the year. Either way works, the choice is up to you. Why would you come? Because it works. We have a success rate of 80% after 3 months of care. 5 and 6 years later, people have been interviewed and report that their improvements are still holding. Our goal is for you and your family to have success that really lasts.